What is online marketing and what is the best way to do it? Despite the fact that online marketing has been around for like 15 years now, it's still pretty hard to find proper answers to those questions, isn't it? Some people will tell you that online marketing is just about having a nice website. And these days, such websites also need to be responsive. In other words, optimized for mobile devices. Other people will claim that what you really need is SEO, search engine optimization, a set of techniques that can help your website to get better results in major search engines. Go PPC, you will also hear, advising you to invest in pay-per-click campaigns to support the search results. And who hasn't heard about social media yet? There is an opinion that the only marketing you need is your online presence and content creation on the major social networks. So who's actually right? Well, in fact, none of those statements are entirely correct, since what you really need is a strategy, an essential document which defines how to interconnect all of the marketing channels to work together in a perfect synergy. Because that's the only way how to reach your goals, improve your business effectively, and save your money. And who can help you with that? Well, we can. We will analyze your current business state, carefully prepare a custom marketing strategy exactly for your needs, and finally help you manage all the channels of your marketing mix. So stop wasting your money on bad decisions. Contact us and let us help you today. So, how exactly can we help you with online marketing? Well, let's see. First of all, we will analyze your current website from the marketing perspective to find answers to questions like how many visitors come to your site? From what sources and devices did they come from? What is the real goal of your website? This will allow us to optimize your website to fulfill its real purpose. Secondly, search engine optimization will definitely follow, so we will take a look at what keywords are tied to your business, what links point to your site, and most importantly, what can we do with the actual website content? That should get you better position on search engine's results page. Pay-per-click campaigns are another way how we can help boost your business. These paid online campaigns can help you get more attention in search results, even on competitive keywords, can be easily tracked and measured, and are also really flexible. We can start them today and, if you want, stop them tomorrow. Another great way how to make you more visible to the outer world is to start being active on social media. We will choose just the network suitable for your business, develop custom strategy to reach your fans, and monitor and maintain a good reputation of your company. Finally, we can also consider other marketing channels and techniques like email marketing, mobile marketing, or traditional offline channels. Still got questions to ask or just want to know how exactly can our strategies help your specific business requirements? Just contact us. We help companies and individuals like you every day.